Hey guys, I've got a new video up for you. It's a real short one today. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things as the summer's been very busy. My business partner and I just got back from San Diego Comic-Con a couple weeks ago. We were pitching a graphic novel I've been working on, and on holidays I finished off this project in Procreate. It's the first one that I've completed in there. It's been a bit of a struggle just dealing with the new medium and trying to figure it out, but I hope you like it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content, please click one of the videos on the screen. If you'd like to be notified when all my videos go up, please click the bell icon. And if you'd like to follow me on social medias, you can find me on patreon.com/Corey Lansdell. I'm at Corey Lansdell on Twitter and Instagram, and you can find me on Facebook as well. Until next time, you guys, be good to each other.